Hello, welcome to the Smart Trading video tutorial that gives you a walkthrough on how to work with Visualizer Tracking Sample Profile and Visualizer Server for further work with visual tracking. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set up a profile, configure Visualizer Reporter Service, configure other required settings, and set up dashboards and data stores in Visualizer Server through XES Manager before you start to work with visual tracking. Connect to Edifecs Library through Edifecs Application Manager to select the predefined Visualizer Tracking Sample profile. To select and activate the profile, 1. In Edifecs Application Manager, on the EAM System tab, expand XE Server, and then right-click Profiles. 2. Select New. In Template Location, select Edifecs Library. 3. Enter your credentials to access the Smart Trading Cloud repository, and then click Login if you are not connected to repository. In this video, the user has already been connected to repository. 4. Select the Visual Tracking Sample profile from the list and click OK. 5. On the EAM System tab, expand Profiles, expand Visual Tracking Sample, and click Configuration to activate the profile. Configure Visualizer Reporter Service. To configure Visualizer Reporter Service, 1. On the Outline tab, expand Services, expand Visualizer Reporter, and then click Visualizer Reporter Service. 2. In the General Settings of the service, on the Configuration tab, click Import Connection Settings. 3. In the Open dialog, navigate to the location where the Visualizer Server tokens are stored. 4. Select the full access token for localhost.zip, and then click Open. Click Yes to confirm the import of the configuration settings. 5. Click Test Connection to ensure that the connection has been established. 6. Save your settings. Other required settings. 1. Navigate to XES Profile/config and then copy the tracking folder. 2. Navigate to Edifecs root, and then paste the tracking folder to the Visualizer Server folder. 3. Restart Visualizer Server. 4. Navigate to XES Profile/config, and then copy the Platform folder. 5. Navigate to Edifecs root, and then paste the Platform folder to the XE Server folder. Set up the following Visualizer dashboards and data stores in Visualizer Service: HIPAA 270, HIPAA 271, HIPAA 835, HIPAA 837, Report 837 Troubleshooting. To set up Visualizer dashboards and data stores in Visualizer Service, do the following. 1. Sign in to XES Manager. 2. At the top menu, click the tree sign and then click Visualizer Server. 3. On your Dashboards pane, on the right, click Create New. 4. In the Create New Dashboard dialog, select a required template. Click Next, and then in the Create New Data Store, click Create New Data Store. 5. Click Next. 6. In Name New Dashboards and Describe New Dashboard, enter the name and description for your dashboard. 7. Click Finish. Repeat this procedure for the rest of the dashboards and data stores. You can also find our channel at youtube.com/edifecs to find more videos and presentations.